guy. So we're here on Moniving. I'm Mr. J. Just wanted to briefly point out this amazing guy here. He works underneath the awning of Sabai Nash Camera here on Moniving by the corner near the new market, or Central Market. This guy, his name is Ming, and he fixes these lenses and tiny mechanical parts for cameras and can reattach broken tiny headphone wires and whatnot. He's amazing. Let's go check him out. Steady. Easy. This guy fixed a pair of headphones of mine. These which had tiny copper strands the thickness of a human hair, and somehow he was able to reconnect them. He soldered it back together and saved me $35 on a new pair. This guy's amazing. What's your name? Lok Chmoy? Ming. His name is Ming. He's amazing. He fixes everything, right? What? Gabi Mun Lok Chui Kyom Badong. He helped me out before, once or twice. He knows what he's doing. Don't disturb him. Don't disturb him when you come over here. Let him see what he's doing. Very important. He uses an old lens as like a magnifying to really look in close, and somehow he superheats the tip of a piece of steel and then uses that as a soldering iron to collect a tiny piece of solder and can reattach these wires, and he fixes lenses. It's amazing. This guy's incredible. Highly recommend him. Anyway, I'm Mr. J here on Moniving near Lot Camera. All the best. No, I was wrong. It's Sabai Nash. He's next to Sabai Nash Camera, this guy. Not Lot Camera. Sabai Nash. Steady. Steady. This is kind of like golf, a golfing match. We have to speak quietly now, very quietly, because he's focused now. And it looks like he's got the piece reattached. We won't know, but I've never known him to fail. I've never known him to fail, by the way. All right, let's go.